In the beginning. Our digital clock was just a simple copy of the mechanical version we've been making since 1964, but almost immediately, people began asking for this and that, and now the information is pretty dense. There's a lot packed in there. Here's a few of our favorites that you might have overlooked. Underneath the General tab, you'll find the high-speed demo mode. Showing people how the Sun's Terminator line changes over the year will dramatically expand their understanding of Earth mechanics in just a few seconds. How do the seasons work? Why is it summer in the south when it's winter in the north? You mean the Earth is not flat? An easy two-dimensional way to explain our spherical home planet. Most Geochron owners do not understand what this is. It's an analemma, and it's a two-dimensional way to explain where the sun is at high noon through the entire year. You know how the sun is high in the summer and low in the winter? If you look at its path, that's the analemma over the year, and it takes 6 months for the sun to go from solstice to solstice, top to bottom, and another 6 months to reach the top again. With so many options, our user asked if there wasn't a way to change the screen configuration quickly without having to press dozens of buttons on the remote. Yes. On the General tab at the bottom, open the Configuration mode. Name your new configuration, and then the Atlas will save it when you exit that configuration. And recall it quickly when you come back. You can even set up multiple configurations and have them rotate on a timer. Also on the Menu tab is an easy way to see live layers better by eliminating the colorful maps in the background. If you walked into my office, it would probably be in Greyscale mode, because that's my favorite. I'm just saying, you should try it. Most people do not know that we are living in a golden age of satellites, from old GPS units 17,000 miles above the Earth to SpaceX's network for the Internet. But you know, of course, because every trackable satellite is on the Geochron, and there are thousands of them. Amaze your friends and shock your in-laws by selecting the category Last 30 Days Launches. We're always improving on the Geochron, so send your suggestions to us at support@geochron.com. Every single one gets considered. Enjoy.